Okay, so where I transferred student there to job with the status is transfer. Then after I successful transfer program for the student, is it a display a file of the thing, a file of containing date. Then check in the mailbox. So I have already to the transfer program for student rights, the rights. Before I transferred the student from the MBF public school to the Brights, but it changed to the Brights. So let me check in the commentaries before. After I check also in the template. This is the template different from the admission form, pre-admission form, and transfer program form. But I received the same notification for this. Okay, for the first one, I have been transferred student from DMBOR 5, DMB Board 5 to the Brights one. But I'm not received the notification anything. After that, I will try to do the transfer program with the same uh, school. So for this, I do the program again. I do the transfer the program again. And is it a generate two commentaries about the transfer program from 24-25 November 5 to the 24-25 for X1 with the creation develop. But after I transfer, I should receive the notification transfer program form. But when I check in the mailbox, I receive the same notification admission form like here. Okay. For the subject is already same. Okay. Look at this time. 11, 3, 4, 34. And I do the transfer program is the is 4, 5, but okay, 7, 8. I think uh I think I received the notification transfer from program, but I just received the notification the same with the admission form that I received. But in here in the DMB, after I check the DP is 1,200. But after I access when I access the transfer program should but it is the same like the admission form notification. This form already marked all the steps is complete. Okay. But after I check in the modality, this is the different scholarship fee like the previous program. So I think this is a different notification, but uh, when I access the form, there's already all completed step, and I cannot select anything in here. I cannot select the scars and modality. So yeah, I'm blocking. This is blocking. I will not receive the notification anything after I transfer the program. Check it. Okay, check here. Is it a replace admission now? Is it a replace? Because before the down payment is 1,200. Okay, yeah, the pay. So the form is different from the previous program, but I cannot to complete the program, and this is still the same as admission form notification.